Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the YouTube app, update first, then sign in so settings sync. Once done, confirm your phone allows cellular data for apps, otherwise changes won't take effect. Now tap your profile icon, go straight to settings, then downloads. This is the first actionable step. Find the download settings so you can change the network preference from Wi-Fi only. Do it now. Don't navigate away until you see the download over Wi-Fi only toggle. You're in downloads now. Look for the download over Wi-Fi only option. Labels vary, but it's the network restriction. Tap the toggle to switch it off. When prompted, confirm you want to allow cellular downloads. Make sure to also set download quality to a lower resolution if you care about data consumption, for example 480p. Once toggled, YouTube will permit downloads on mobile data. Keep an eye on the confirmation message. Finish by testing. Pick a short video and hit download. Watch the status icon for progress. If it still refuses, make sure your phone's data saver is off. YouTube has background data permission, and any VPN or enterprise profile isn't forcing Wi-Fi. If needed, restart the app or device, then retry. Finally, remember to re-enable Wi-Fi only when you want to avoid big data bills. That simple reversal prevents unexpected charges while keeping offline access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.